friends, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is doing good. Today we are going to solve Leetcode problem 3264, final array state after k multiplication operations 1. So this is another array related coding problem that came up on Leetcode recently. So we are going to go through this problem, understand this problem and implement our solution today. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to this channel now. It really helps and supports this channel. Here we create videos to help others in their Java and coding rounds of interviews by showing them how to solve different varieties of coding problems that constitute all important coding questions varieties such as graphs, matrices, binary search trees, binary trees, different data structures problems including stacks, queues, priority queues, min heap, max heap and a lot more. So don't forget to watch the playlist after you watch this video. So let's start with the problem statement first. You are given an integer array nums, an integer k and an integer multiplier. You need to perform k operations on nums. In each operation, find minimum value x in nums. If there are multiple occurrences of the minimum value, select the one that appears first. Replace the selected minimum value x with x multiplied by the given multiplier. Return an integer array denoting the final state of the nums array after performing all k operations. So this is what the problem statement says. So the constraint says that the nums dot length will be between 1 to 100. So 100 numbers will be given to us and the number itself will also range between 1 to 100 inclusive. K value will range between 1 to 10 inclusive and multiplier is between 1 to 5 inclusive. So let's understand this problem with some examples so it will be more clear for you. So this nums array is given to us as you can see here, and k value is 5, multiplier is 2. So it means that k is a number of times we want to do that operation, right? Now what the operation is, what they are saying, so the operation they are saying is, let's write down this array 2 1 3 5 6, right? So what they are saying is in each iteration you want to find out the minimum number in this given array and multiplied it by the multiplier. So minimum number is 1, so you multiply it by 2, so it will become 2. So this one is your new array now, right? So 2 2 3 5 6, right? Now again k number of times you have to do, right? Now next time what you will do, again find the minimum number. So here the minimum number are these two, right? 2 and 2. So you will have to take the first one. So you will take this one multiplied by 2, so it will become 4, right? So now your array is 4 2 3 5 6, correct? So okay, 3 5 6. So this is your array, and then so we have done it 2 times, right? We have to do it third time. So third time this is the minimum number, so it will be multiplied by 2, so it will become 4. Next time your minimum number will be 3, right? So we are actually here, right? We are here, and now next time your number will be 3 multiplied by 2, so it will become 6. Next time your smallest number is 4 here, right? Because in this 2 4 you will take the leftmost, right? Leftmost. So you will multiply it by 2, so it will become 8. So 8 4 6 5 6 is what you will get after you do the operation k number of times, which is 5 number of times in this case. So this is what the problem statement says. So I hope it's pretty clear with this example and explanation what they are asking us to do. So it means that we have to just write a for loop that will do k number of times, right? And in each for loop we will have to keep finding the minimum number and the index, right? Basically we will find the index. So let me remove this. So once we'll go, for example, we'll go through this array, we'll find out the index. Index is 1 here, right? And then we will also find out the minimum value. So minimum value is also 1, index is 1. Then you have to just replace that value by the value multiplied by multiplier, right? So you go to the index, you multiply it by 2, so it will become 2, you put 2 here, right? Again you do the same thing next time, right? You go through this array, you get the minimum, which is 2 this time, right? So first one you will always keep track of the first one, right? Again you multiply it by 2, so it will give you 4, right? Like this. Okay, so this is how you can actually implement this solution, which will be very straightforward. So this is how you will write the solution. So get final state is what we are implementing. Nums array is given to us, k and multiplier is also given to us. This method is going to return integer array, which is the array after we perform the operation k number of times. Okay, so it's easy. So for first for loop will go from 0 to k, right? because we want to perform that operation k number of times. In this inside the for loop, we will start performing the operation. For that, we will need two variables. First one is the mean index, which is 0. We'll initialize it to 0, and the mean value will initialize to num0, right? So two things we will try to find out: the minimum index and the minimum value. So for that, we again will need one for loop here, and this for loop will start at j is equal to 1, j is less than nums dot length, j plus plus, right? And what we will do, we'll keep looping in this internal for loop here, and we'll keep finding the min index and minimum value. So whenever your number in the array becomes less than the min value, you will update the min value to that value, right? Min is equal to nums of j, and you will also have to update the index, right? So min index is equal to j. So remember, this is less than, that's why you will always find out the leftmost value. For example, in this case you have two 4s, right? But because it's less than, you will consider this 4 which is on the left side, because we are considering less than there, right? So it will automatically take care of that tie situation basically. Okay, so once you come out of this for loop, you know two things: you know the mean index, you know the mean value. So all you have to do is you have to go to that mean index and multiply mean by the multiplier and update that value at the mean index. Again, go in the outer for loop and perform the operation. So you will perform that operation k number of times, and at the end you have to just return the nums array, and that one will solve this problem. So let's talk about the algorithmic complexity for this code. So this for loop runs k number of times, and this for loop runs n number of times. So if you have n numbers in that given array, then n multiplied by k is your time complexity here. And the space complexity here is, we did not really use any extra space or data structures, no hash map, hash set, list, nothing, right? So it means that your space complexity is going to be constant for this code. Okay, so this is how you can analyze the code, and we will run this code, make sure it gets correct answers. So the test cases are passed. We'll submit this code to the Leetcode, make sure the code gets accepted as well. So the code is accepted on 100%, which is pretty good. So this is how you can solve 30 to 64 final array state after k multiplication operations. One problem on Leetcode. So I wanted to show you how to implement this Java solution and how to understand this problem with this whiteboarding session. And if you like this video, and if this video helped you understand this problem in an easier way, then please give it a thumbs up to this video, give it a like to this video, subscribe to this channel. Your subscription is really important. It really helps and supports this channel. It takes a lot of efforts to create these videos, so please do consider subscribing and give it a like and share this video with all your friends. If you haven't already checked out the playlist, do check out the playlist on our channel. It has almost like 550 different varieties of solved coding problems available for you here, and they are explained with whiteboarding sessions along with Java code and solutions. So they will definitely give you a good preparation for your interview rounds and help you learn different techniques of problem solving. So keep learning, keep coding, keep solving more varieties of coding problems, and thanks for watching this video, and have a great day ahead.